Hello, Joe from Joe K Models here. Okay, so we've got the wash all cleaned up. Everything's looking pretty good on the airplane. I took off the front masking, so the engine is now in view. And you can see how it looks after everything's been painted. So always pretty cool to finally start taking off the masking after you get a lot of the work done. So you can start to finally see how everything's coming together. So the propeller obviously is going to go like so. And that's how that's going to look. And then the wheels, put on the bottom. Use a little super glue to get those on, but even without the super glue, just putting the wheels on it stands upright. So before it would always kind of go to the side, but obviously we'll want to make sure those are straight, but you got an idea there of that. There's a few more decals left to put on. So on the propeller, you got a couple of these small stencil decals. So we're putting those on, and then also on the wheels, there's a small one on each side. So once we get those on, we'll be all set with those. And then the wing is going to get put on the plane like that. So that gives you an idea of kind of what the final result's going to look like. The flaps are going to get put on here, and both the instructions and the pictures I've seen with the planes, you know, with the wings up, the flaps are up slightly. So I'm not sure why, but it appears that they did that when they would store them. So I might find out a little bit more why they did that, but I'll be putting them in that position on both sides. And then basically where we're at is I'm going to be doing a dull coat using this. This just came in the mail. I've been waiting for this to arrive because I've been out of this stuff. So I tried it on this piece here, and it takes it down a notch. And the one on the right is semi-gloss. Well, actually right now it's just a regular gloss coat. After putting on the weathering, I did a gloss coat, but it's going to take it down. It's going to make it flat like that. So we're putting that on the whole airplane. Once that's on the airplane, we're going to start to unmask everything. So we're going to see the canopy, we're going to see the cockpit, you know, in all of its glory. Might have to do a little bit of touch-up depending on how this looks once we take it off. But once that's all set, then it's just a matter of putting the antenna on and we should be all set. I'm hopefully anticipating on finishing this up today. So we'll see how it goes, as long as everything goes according to plan. And then, you know, I'll be putting up a final reveal video. I might do a final thoughts video. I'm kind of on the fence about doing a full build one just because of the issues I had with putting the landing gear on. But I might do a full build video with a disclaimer on there just explaining what happened with that. But let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do a full build video. If you'd like to see it, I don't mind putting it out there if there's interest in that. So, you know, I can make content based on feedback in the comments. So just let me know. And I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's healthy out there. You know, having a great weekend. I think maybe we're starting to turn a corner with this whole thing going on. I really hope so. But this is a great time to work on your models. It's healthy. It keeps your mind sharp. It makes the days go by and it passes your time. And just really appreciate all of the support that I've seen on this series. And I'm looking forward to making more. So with that, I appreciate it. I'm gonna get to work on this, and I will talk to you guys all really soon on the next vlog update. So this is Joe from Joe K Models.